Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are comparing these two Maybelline foundations. So this is the OG Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm sure all of you have these in your vanities. And the second foundation is the Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte foundation. This is the new launch by Maybelline. And can you guys look at the packaging? Can we just take a moment to admire the cute lavender packaging? And I'm wearing the same color today because I'm just loving this color these days. This is such a perfect color for summers and really like the packaging Maybelline, and I also like the round edges. So today we are comparing the OG Superstay and the Lumi Matte Superstay foundation, and if you want to know which one is better or which one stays longer, which one looks better, which one feels better, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. So on my right side, I'm going to be putting the Superstay 30R Lumi Matte foundation, the new one, and on my left side, I'm going to be putting the Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation, the OG one. Let's begin with the right side first, which is the new one. So I'm going to shake it well before putting it on. I'm going to take just one pump of it first. Okay. It's really a runny foundation. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to apply it. Oh, it's a nice match. And it feels very lightweight, very lightweight. I mean, it's not even feeling like a foundation. It feels like I'm putting on a serum. It's super lightweight. I'm also going to put it on my forehead and on my nose, on my chin, and with whatever is left, I'm going to put it on my neck. Now I'm taking this Real Techniques brush. This is a very dense brush, so I'm going to use this to blend this side, and this feels quite lightweight. I mean, it has a very serum-like consistency, and it has a pretty good coverage. And look at the shade match. I mean, this is my perfect shade match. So I'm in the shade 125, and this shade is a neutral undertone, and this has pretty good coverage. I mean, it has covered up all of my scars, and I cannot see a lumi finish. I mean, I can say that it has a soft matte finish, but it doesn't have a lumi finish. It is a very soft matte velvety finish, and I quite like it. It looks very pretty. It is a pretty good match, and it was quite lightweight. मतलब ऐसा feel ही नहीं हुआ कि मैंने अपने face पे कुछ भी लगाया है. It is not that thick foundations. It's a very breathable and very comfortable foundations. अभी भी मैंने लगाया हुआ है face पे एक foundation, तो मुझे feel ही नहीं हो रहा कि मैंने foundation लगाया हुआ है. And I usually don't wear foundations. I just go with my favorite concealer. But this is a foundation that you can wear on an everyday basis because this is so lightweight, and it's not even looking like a foundation. It's looking like my skin but better, and it has a good coverage. I mean, for the consistency it has a very runny consistency, very watery consistency. The coverage is pretty good. I wasn't expecting such a good coverage. I won't say it's full coverage. It's a medium to buildable coverage since it is so watery and runny, so you can build it up, and it's a medium to full coverage foundation. It's not a full coverage foundation. So this was the Lumi Matte one. Now let's go with the left side with our OG Superstay foundation. I'm just gonna take one pump of it. See, this is a thick foundation. This is a really thick foundation, and this is a very creamy foundation. And I know this is a very supremely full coverage foundation because I have worn this foundation just once in my life. सिर्फ एक बार ही मैंने लगाया है, and it lasted throughout the day. And this shade is a little warmer for my skin tone. ये वाला जो shade है 125 matches me perfectly, but this shade, I'm in the shade 128 warm nude. This is a little warmer for me, although I can make it work, but I know for a fact that ये मुझे थोड़ा सा warm लगता है. And this is supremely full coverage. मतलब you cannot go wrong with this foundation if you're a full coverage girly. I used to be a full coverage girly, but now I prefer foundations like serum, वो जो tinted moisturizers होते हैं. Now I prefer those, and I'm gonna take whatever's left on my hand with the same brush. मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा clean कर लिया है, and now I'm gonna blend it. And you see, it just instantly covered up my dark spots, my acne scars, and this is how full coverage it is, and this feels like you're wearing something on your face. Matlab, this foundation feels like you have nothing on your face. I have this on this side and feel ही नहीं हो रहा कि कुछ मैंने लगाया है, whereas this foundation, the OG Superstay one, feels like you're wearing something. It's not uncomfortable, I wouldn't say it's uncomfortable, but it feels like an extra layer. And see how full coverage it is, and you can see that this matches me perfectly. I mean, this is my perfect match. You cannot, identify if I'm wearing something or not, but this side is like you can identify, पता चल रहा है कि मैंने कुछ लगाया है, and even on my skin मुझे खुद से भी feel हो रहा है that I'm wearing something on my face. And this is a very heavy duty foundation. I think I need a little more hair, so I'm gonna build some coverage, and let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna take half a pump of this foundation, not even a full pump. I'm just taking half a pump because I think it is going to cover up. So I'm just gonna put it here, and I think this has oxidized a bit. ये वाला foundation तो oxidize करता ही करता है, so this matches me perfectly after oxidization. But I think yes, this has oxidized too. See, मैंने इसको build भी किया है, so it's not looking heavy or cakey at all. मतलब इसको आप build भी कर सकते हो, and it's gonna still look very skin like. But in my personal opinion, if you build this up, मतलब अगर आप OG वाले को build up करोगे, तो it can look cakey because it is a thick foundation. But since this is a serum like foundation, बहुत ही lightweight इसकी finish है, तो it is not even gonna feel like anything. मतलब मैंने अभी इसको build up किया है. This is the second layer of this foundation and still looks skin like, and मतलब मुझे इतना heavy भी नहीं feel हो रहा. This doesn't even feel heavy on my face. It doesn't feel like I'm building this foundation up. And अब second layer के बाद इसने मेरे acne scars को अच्छे से cover भी कर लिया है. I'm just going to take a damp sponge, and इससे क्या होगा, जो भी excess product है वो सारा हट जाएगा. So I'm just gonna run it over once. और इससे अगर कोई brush strokes होंगे तो वो भी अच्छे से blend out हो जाएंगे. And अब दूसरे side से I'm going to blend out the other foundation, the OG one. This is such a good foundation for everyday basis. मतलब this is a foundation जो मैं everyday पहन सकती हूँ, लगा सकती हूँ, and it wouldn't even feel like I'm wearing anything. On everyday basis I prefer products जो बहुत कंफर्टेबल हूँ, ब्रीदेबल हूँ, मेरे पोर्स को वो क्लॉग ना करे, एंड डजंट सिट ऑन माई स्किन लाइक सम हैवी प्रोडक्ट. ऐसा ना लगे कि एक अलग सी लेयर लगाई हुई है प्रोडक्ट की. सो आई लाइक प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर लाइट वेट एंड डजंट फील हैवी ऑन माई स्किन एंड मेक्स मी फील कंफर्टेबल इन माई स्किन. I rate this foundation a solid 10 on 10 because there's nothing that I can complain about. क्योंकि बस एक चीज है जो I wish it had, which is a luminous finish, as it claims to be a lumi matte finish. Now I'm just gonna complete the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back, and then we're gonna be comparing these two foundations on the basis of its finish, coverage, blendability, the longevity, and all of the stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm done with my full face of makeup, and can you spot a difference? No, because I've made both of these foundation work and it doesn't even look like I'm wearing two different foundations. So now it's time to compare both of these foundations. On my right, again, I'm wearing this Lumi Matte Finish foundation, and on my left, I'm wearing the OG Superstay foundation. So let's compare both of these foundation on the basis of the packaging. So the OG Superstay one comes with the basic white Superstay packaging, and it also comes with a pump. Mine is super dirty, I'm really sorry for that, and it is very convenient. The pump makes it super convenient. Now let's talk about the claims it has. So it claims to be a full coverage foundation, which yes it is. It claims to be a 24-hour wear foundation. Yes, this foundation is super long lasting. It claims to be oil control and shine free. Yes, it is. It is breathable and comfortable. I'd say it is breathable, and it is comfortable, but it feels like you're wearing something on your face. So yes, it is a heavy duty foundation. Then it claims to be sweat and sebum resistant. Yes, I have an extremely oily skin, and it doesn't make my skin more oily, but it controls the oil. So yes, I can say that it is sebum resistant. Then it says it is oil free and doesn't clog pores. Yes, it is oil free, but I cannot say about the clogging pores thing because it is a pretty thick foundation. So I don't know if that claim is right or not. Then the last claim is that it is fade and transfer resistance. So let's check that. So I have a tissue right here with me, and I'm just gonna do this and see. It is transfer proof. It does not transfer, and of course I have set my face with a setting spray, but even after that it does not transfer. So yes, it does what it claims. Now talking about this foundation, which is on the right side of my face, the packaging is super cute. I mean, I love the lavender color, and it has super stay engraved on it. I'm really sorry because I really ruin all of my products. I mean, पूरे मेरे यहाँ पे कैप पे प्रोडक्ट लगा हुआ है. I'm really really sorry for that. And talking about the pump is also lavender. Really like the packaging. It's super super cute. And talking about the claims, so it claims to be a weightless feel. Yes, it feels quite weightless on the skin. It claims to have a soft matte finish. Yes, it has a very soft matte velvety finish. It claims to have a buildable full coverage 100%. It claims to be waterproof, transfer proof, sweat proof. Oh my god. And it has SPF 16, which is a great thing. So let's see if it is transfer proof. Again, the same tissue, and see, it is totally transfer proof. I cannot say about sweat resistance and waterproof because I haven't been sweating. I mean, अभी मुझे बिल्कुल भी sweating नहीं हुई है, so I cannot talk about it, but I'll definitely check the longevity and tell you guys about it. Let's compare these two foundations on the basis of its consistency. So the OG Superstay foundation has a super thick consistency. It is quite creamy and thick, and it is a very heavy and thick foundation. And talking about the consistency of the Lumi Matte foundation, it is a very runny serum like consistency, and it almost feels like a serumy foundation because the consistency is quite runny and watery. Now let's compare these two foundations on the basis of its finish, or how it looks on the skin. So the OG one looks quite matte. It is fully matte finish. The finish of this foundation is totally matte. I mean, it's not luminous, it's not dewy, it's totally matte. It claims to be shine free, and it is shine free. It's a fully matte foundation. Whereas the Superstay Lumi one, okay, I expected this foundation to be a soft Lumi finish, but I'd say this has a soft matte finish. This has a velvety finish. This has no luminosity whatsoever, no glowy or dewy finish whatsoever. Looks like your skin. It looks like your skin, but in a better way. Let's compare these two foundations on the basis of how it feels on the skin. When we wear the foundation, how it feels on the skin. So the OG matte foundation is a heavy duty foundation. As I mentioned, it feels heavy. Okay, it feels heavy on the skin, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It feels like you're wearing an extra layer of product. I mean, you're wearing a moisturizer, a sunscreen, and then you're wearing a foundation. It feels like that. Whereas the Superstay Lumi Matte Finish Foundation feels quite lightweight. It feels like you're just wearing your moisturizer, or it feels like you're wearing a tinted moisturizer. It's super lightweight. It almost feels like it doesn't have any weight. It's weightless. And I'm wearing this on the right side, and I cannot feel anything on my face. I cannot feel like I'm wearing a foundation. Let's compare both of these foundations on the basis of its blendability. So the OG one and the Lumi Matte one, both of these blend quite easily. I mean, both of these take 2 to 3 seconds to get blended. The only drawback with the OG foundation is that since it is a thick foundation, since it has a thick consistency, so if you don't blend it immediately, मतलब अगर quickly इसको blend नहीं करते हैं, then it can get patchy. So my suggestion would be that apply it and immediately blend it. I can say that this is not patchy, and this also blends like a dream. I blended it using my brush. You could use any tool that you prefer, a brush, a beauty blender, or any tool that you prefer. But this also blends like a dream. I don't know about it getting patchy because this was the first time I wore it, and I'll definitely update you guys about how it feels and how it looks. Now let's move on to the coverage. Comparing these two foundations on the basis of coverage, The OG Superstay foundation has a full coverage. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this foundation. If you are a full coverage girly, you just need one pump to cover up your face. And yes, it is going to cover up any blemishes, any dark spots, any hyperpigmentation. Ye sab cover kar lega. This got your back. Now talking about this foundation, the Lumi Matte foundation. This has a medium to full coverage foundation, I'd say. And since it is a runny consistency, since iski bahut hi watery consistency है, so you can build it up because it's not gonna feel heavy और ये केकी भी नहीं लगता है क्योंकि बहुत ही इसकी एक स्किन लाइक फिनिश है. And I'd say this is not a full coverage foundation because इसने मेरे acne scars hide तो कर दिए थे but it was still peeking through. So you can build it up. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. Now comparing these two foundations on the basis of longevity. So the OG one, I think this is the most long wearing foundation that I own. This is a super long wearing foundation and it claims to stay for 24 hours. एक तो nobody is wearing a foundation for 24 hours. I mean, why would anybody wear a foundation for 24 hours until you're a bride? But still, it's quite long lasting. I mean, I wore this on an event and ये tas se mast nahi hua. It stayed there. And back then I did not used to use setting sprays, because my skin was extremely irritated. तो मैं setting sprays नहीं लगाती थी. And without a setting spray, this stayed on for the entire day without budging, without moving, or without getting transferred. So on longevity, I give this 100 on 10. It's super long lasting. When it comes to this foundation, since I have not tried it a lot, आज पहला ही दिन है when I'm trying this out, so I cannot say long about longevity, although it claims to stay up to 30 hours.
Who is wearing a foundation for 30 hours?
I'll do a wear test and I'll let you guys know about how long it stays. Although the Maybelline Superstay range, the entire range is super long lasting. I have their lipsticks as well, and although they are quite drying on the lips, but they don't budge at all. I know this is not a lipstick video, but I'm just telling you guys that this whole range, the entire Superstay range, does not budge at all, no matter what you do. This is a super great investment. I mean, for 800 bucks, this foundation can literally be compared to some of the high-end foundations. I mean, the Smashbox one. The Smashbox one has a really similar finish to this foundation. Yes, with that, I am done with comparing both of these foundations. And if I had to choose one, I'm sorry, the OG one, I'll have to choose the new one because I love the finish on it, on me. And I love how it feels and I love how it looks. And the shade match, oh my god, I bought this foundation online. This matches me perfectly. The shade match is on point, the finish is on point, the coverage is on point. Everything about this foundation is just on point. Now tell me in the comment section below which one are you gonna choose and which one do you like more. With all that blabbering, we come to an end of this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching my video. And if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the like button and tell me in the comment section below which foundation are you choosing. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.